Getting sponsorship in motorsport is very difficult. The word sponsor suggests that someone's going to give you something or some money in return for just a sticker on a car. That might be the case if you're Lewis Hamilton or a famous race driver, but most of us just aren't. So let's start again. Even though it looks like I have loads of sponsors all over my car, I don't actually have any at all. I have companies that I work with and companies that I work for. It's normally promoting them or giving them exposure in some way. So putting a sticker on your car alone is not very good value for money, and the key to a perfect working partnership is making sure your working partner gets very good value for money, and that's what we focus on. So how do I provide a good service for my working partners? So first of all, let's talk about social media. Now I have 3,500 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I've released one video every week for the past 2 years, and my most viewed video has 5.2k views. During this video you've already seen my car and my working partner's logo displayed on it. This is actually increasing their brand awareness and giving them exposure. I do the same on my Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, and the links are in the description for them, and also wear my t-shirts with all their logos on at events. As well as including all my working partners in every post I do, I also have my notifications on so I can see their posts. Then I can share them on my social media, but not too much because this could also damage my page if people think I'm just trying to sell stuff. So getting that balance is really important. Since I've started drifting, I've represented loads of different companies at different events. I went to Speed Machine at Silverstone and even just little car shows in a field. Sometimes I bring my car or wear my sponsors' branded clothing, and also sign posters with all my sponsors on there and represent their brands, and also give away or sell some merchandise. It's also crucial to research your brands that you're working for, so if anyone asks you about their products, you can give advice. For example, the EBC brakes yellow stuff that I use, I know all about them, how they heat up quickly, and loads of different things so I can give advice to customers. Drift events get loads of publicity, whether that's from people at the track or from the live stream, and even going to and from events, so we keep the car uncovered so everyone can see the sponsors and my social media on the back of the car. We also make the car look really nice at all times, so I'm always cleaning it before events, after events, and even during them in the little bits that I'm off the track. We also take on some damage during these events, so it's important to fix them as soon as possible and make the car look really nice and clean. Now I am lucky enough to have Everything Drift as my media partner, so they take top quality photos and videos when I'm at the track and also at separate little shoots like this. All the photos and videos from the years are stored in a massive Dropbox folder which all my working partners have access to, so they can use those photos and videos however they want, which really helps me get exposure to people that follow them. After every event I write a full colour report and send it to my working partners. I also try to mention them as much as possible when I'm doing interviews live on track or separately for other little projects. I always make sure that my working partners are happy with the service that I am providing. So how did I actually get these working partners in the first place? So the first step is to make a professional looking driver portfolio, including all the facts about you and your social media reach statistics. At this point, it's not about what you want from them. I sent this to hundreds, if not thousands, of companies. Out of the hundreds of companies I sent this to, about 10 of them got back, and most of them were saying, we're not interested in what you have to offer. In my first year of drifting, I didn't get much back from my working partners for the amount of work I put in. But I still worked really hard and made sure the companies got really good value for money. But this year, things were different. Because I worked so hard last year, it was recognised by my working partners and they offered me more. Sure, I need to keep on giving my working partners really good value for money and keep on working hard, but this is what a working partnership is, and that is what I do. Okay guys, so that is what worked for me and how I got the amazing working partners I have today. I hope it works out for you guys. You do have to work really hard to get these, but once you've got them, it does get easier. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please do subscribe if you want more like this, and give it a thumbs up. Anyway, hope you're staying safe. See you in the next one. Bye.